welcome to my channel. My name is Griselle, and today we're gonna be doing this makeup look, and we're gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, the Prism palette. And yeah, so just keep watching and let's dive right into the video. Whoop. Okay guys, so let's get started with today's video. For primer today, we're gonna be using our Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser primer. And, oh my god, I just dropped the cap. Okay, we're just gonna grab some of this and put it only on our T-zone, because that's where we have our more visible pores. So we're just gonna take this and put it in our T-zone. Okay, and before foundation today, we're gonna be correcting, and we're gonna be using our Bella Pierre Cosmetics Pro Concealer palette, and it looks like this. And we're just gonna take the orange shade and put that under our eyes and on the sides of our mouth, because that's where we have our darker spots. Then we're just gonna put this on the sides of our mouth and on our mustache. Okay, so now that we look like a pumpkin, we're gonna move on to foundation. And for foundation today, we're gonna be using a L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte in the color 108 Caramel Beige. And we're just gonna take this, put it on our finger, and dot it in her face. Okay, so now we're gonna use this brush and blend the foundation in her face. Okay, so now moving to concealer, we're gonna be using our Prolux concealer in the color medium. Just gonna put this under our eyes. And then we're gonna be blending it out with one of these equal tool brushes. I mean sponges. Okay, and to set everything, we're gonna be using our She Lux Pro Powder in the color Banana. And we're just gonna bake with this. Gonna put some on our cap. And then with the same sponge, we're gonna grab some of this and put it under our eyes. And then we cannot forget about our forehead. Okay, so we're just gonna leave that to bake. Now we're gonna move on to brows. And for brows today, we're gonna be using the same pot we used last time. It's this eyeliner pot in the color black, but I just use this for my eyebrows. And I'm just gonna grab this eyebrow pencil, and it's from the Brow Gal by Tony Crooks. We're just gonna grab some of that, and then like always, shape it from the bottom, shape it from the top, and then fill it in. And for the front, do hair-like strokes. Okay, and to clean our brows today, we're going to be using our Prolux concealer in the color medium with our Luxie 22 1T. We're just going to put some on the back of our hand. And then with the brush, grabbing some and then cleaning the brows. Okay, and now moving on to eyes, we're gonna be using our Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. Prism palette. It looks like this. Oops, I just dropped the brush. And here are the colors They're so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you guys can see me better. I'm so sorry for my nails, guys. I forgot to do them. And I just saw them right now. Oh my god, they look so nasty. Oh well. We'll just have to deal with this problem later. So the first color I'm grabbing is a color Lure, just to use as our transition color. And we're grabbing the brush that came in the palette, and we're just gonna grab the fluffy side. Just gonna put that in another. Okay guys, so this shadow doesn't show up on my lid. It looks white. Okay, so now grabbing the color Eden, and we're actually gonna use that as our transition color. So we're just gonna use the same brush. We're gonna tap into this color and use this as our transition. Oh, okay, yeah, that's a lot better. Okay, so now grabbing the color Saturn and my Luxie 229 taper blending brush, we're just gonna use this to put in our lid as well, but not as blended out as the other color. Okay, so now grabbing the color Parallel with the same brush, we're just gonna put that in our lid as well, but mainly focusing it on the middle, like here, not as diffused. Okay, so now grabbing the color Throne, which is this aqua color, we're just gonna grab the other side of the brush, load the brush with this color, and then put in some setting spray. Just gonna wet the brush and then put it in our eye. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Oh my god, yes. We're just gonna put this color all over our lid. Okay, so that's how the eyes are looking. Now we're gonna grab the color Obsidian, which is this black, and we're gonna put that on our outer V, just to deepen out the crease. Oh, and we're grabbing the Royal and Langnickel brush, BX90 brush. And I don't want a lot of black, because I don't really want it to look black, but I just want a little just to deepen out the crease. Okay, and then we're gonna grab this brush just to blend the edges, because it looks really harsh right now. Our inner corners, we're gonna be using the color Sphere, this yellow right here, and our e.l.f. Professional eyeshadow brush. And we're just gonna put this color in our inner corners. Okay guys, so that's the eyes done. Now I'm gonna go put some eyeliner and eyelashes off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that we're done with the eyes, we're gonna move on to the rest of our face. And for contour today, we're gonna be using our Sephora contour palette. And we're just gonna use the middle and the first shade. And I'm just using my e.l.f. brush. And we're just gonna grab these two colors. Defining the cheekbones. Putting some on our temples and our jawline as well. Okay, so then grabbing a smaller brush, we're gonna be using step 2 for the shadow brush. And we're gonna grab the middle shade just to contour the nose. Okay, and for blush today, we're gonna be using our L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Blush in the color Spiced Plum. And we're gonna be grabbing our Amor Us Pro Makeup Angle Powder Brush. Just gonna grab this. I'm putting it on our cheekbones. Okay, and for our highlight today, we're gonna be using our Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Collection. We're gonna be grabbing this yellow shade. You can really see it. Oh my god. The yellow shade. So I'm grabbing this yellow shade right here. And I'm just gonna use my Us Premium Pro Makeup Fan Brush. We're just gonna use this to grab that highlight. Oh my god, so pretty. Oh my god, can you guys see that? That's so blinding. And then with my Your Gorgeous brush, I'm just gonna grab that same shade and put it on our nose as well. Oh my god, that's so gorgeous. I'm in love with this highlight. Okay, and the last thing we have left is lips. And for lips today, we're gonna be using a Clean Color pencil in the color, it doesn't have the color anymore, but it's this nudish pencil. We're just gonna grab this to lip line our lips. Then I'm gonna be grabbing my lipstick from Real Hair in the color Mauve. And it's just this nude color. Just gonna fill our lips with this. Oh my god, I don't like this lip color. I don't know, I look sick. Never mind. So I'm actually gonna grab my Kylie Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Dolce K. We're just gonna grab that to fill our lips. Okay, and that looks a lot better. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment down below. I'm thinking about doing like Mexican videos since all my family is like Mexican and they only speak Spanish. So I'm thinking about doing videos in Spanish. So leave me a comment down below if you guys would like to see that. And yeah guys, until next time, bye, love you. I got the outfit done. Damn, I like my makeup. I look so pretty. Damn.